Hey guys, welcome to my channel AG Good Times. This is Gautam. Today we bring you an exciting hotel review from the heart of Mumbai. The hotel name is Bentley Hotel and is situated in Marine Drive, Mumbai. Bentley Hotel is situated in the third floor of Krishna Mahal building, and we stayed at this beautiful stadium suite. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to our channel AG Good Times. The room features all the basic amenities like mineral water, hot water kettle, coffee bags and tea bags, 32-inch LED TV, and free Wi Fi. This room also has a mini refrigerator which is very clean and in working condition. This hotel is adorned with captivating paintings on the wall, adding a touch of elegance and artistic charm to the space. The hotel embraces a blend of modern comforts and traditional charm, featuring a set of exquisitely crafted traditional chairs and a sofa. These pieces of furniture not only provide a comfortable seating option but also showcase the rich cultural heritage of Mumbai. The hotel room at Bentley Hotel is bathed in warm and enchanting glow thanks to the carefully curated beautiful lighting fixtures. From the soft and gentle bedside lamps to the elegant chandeliers, every light source has been thoughtfully chosen to create a soothing and inviting ambience. The hotel room features this luxury and comfortable king size bed that is designed to provide a restful sanctuary and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. In this room, you will find ample charging points, ensuring that you can conveniently power up your devices and stay connected without any hassle. The room is adorned with exquisite carpets, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to the space. You will also find a well equipped cupboard that includes additional pillows and a safe locker. Additionally, the cupboard is equipped with hangers, allowing you to neatly hang your clothes and keep your belongings tidy and easily accessible. The hotel room at Bentley features a large mirror that adds both functionality and elegance to the space. The hotel room has a large and immaculate bathroom, designed with both luxury and functionality in mind. The bathroom is stocked with basic toiletries, ensuring that you have everything you need for a refreshing experience. Although there is a shower unit, this bathroom do not have a bathtub. Bentley Hotel enjoys a prime location situated in the close proximity to both Wankhede Stadium and Marine Drive. We stayed here at this hotel for 2 nights and we paid Rs 3500 per night, including breakfast. I would rate this hotel 4 out of 5 for my overall stay and would also recommend you if you are looking for a hotel near Marine Drive with a budget of 3500 rupees. The complimentary breakfast included bread toast, butter and omelette, and traditional idli sambar and chutney. If you have enjoyed this video, then do click on the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. You can also check out other videos from this channel here. Thank you.